Hi guys, happy Tuesday. We are back to Matilda. This is the overview of the agenda, and remember everything's posted on the backboard. Please take your notes out. Remember SSR is kind of voided out for this week. So take your notes, and as soon as everybody has their notes out, Mrs. Washock can begin the movie, and you guys can keep working on Matilda. Focus-wise, it's the same thing we did yesterday, which is how is film creative writing and how does it translate from mentor text to the big screen? And how could it inspire your final project? Homework-wise, we'll finish the film today. You will turn in your notes today. Mrs. Washock will collect those from the basket and inventory everybody who turned it in. Tomorrow is workshop. Thursday is workshop and Friday is workshop. The only thing that's really important is Thursday there will be a little question on Google Classroom that you'll have to answer, which is a status check. So each person needs to write a response, and you'll have it as an assignment. And you'll just tell me, what is the status of your project? What have you gotten done? Where are you? What are you excited about? What concerns do you have? So that way I can kind of check in with you and conference with you, conference in quotations, because I'm not there, but at least it lets me know how you're doing. So you definitely need to do that on Thursday, and I will give you feedback on it so you have it for Friday and Monday's workshop. And then we will do the film festival. That's actually a typo. We will do the film festival on Wednesday. And then that's misspelled too. So moving forward, let's finish the film. Keep thinking about the cinematography. And then to close out, do you have any project ideas? And please, please, please turn in your movie notes into the basket for grading so it doesn't get docked credit for being late. And that is Matilda, day 2.